I'm Kate and I live in Oxenford, here in Queensland, on the Gold Coast. So I'd seen the GroutPro vans around, and I must say I had a look online and had a look at different, techniques that they did or what the process was. And then Rob came and saw me and gave me an example of how they could assist me with the type of tile that I have, because it's not a porcelain tile. It's got the dapple in it. And he said that I should get a very good result. So he was very efficient and effective in when he came and did his quote and measured up the actual area that I needed done, because it was just the main walkway areas that we have tiles on. And and then when we decided to go ahead, Rob and his wife came for the day and they put tiles under each of the doors so that the solution didn't go anywhere. And they were here for 4 hours and they basically did my whole house. So I'm very, very excited with the results. And I've just been showing all my friends, they're all blown away. So because they knew what the tiles were like before as well, because we entertain a lot. And it has, for me, it's changed the entire sort of look of the house, because now with summer coming, you like everything to be clean and white. Oh, definitely. I would have done it as I moved in the house if I could have. And I would have, I must say, I would like to do it again in a couple of years. Everyone's like, oh, it's all about the grout. And I was like, the grout didn't even worry me. But it was actually the tile rather than the actual grout. But the grout itself has actually come out as a dove grey of what should have been. And especially in the bathroom. I see that they tried to reseal it with like some white sealant that has never really taken and chipped off. So by the time we'd finished in the bathroom, it was fantastic. It feels clean and neat. And it's now so much easier to clean with the mop, because as Rob explained to me, with the tiles that we have, because of the dapple, you can't actually get into it, even with the steam mop, because it runs along the surface. So with using the product of GroutPro and then using the machinery that they have, it actually gets into all the grooves, so it removes all the dirt, which is fantastic. My friends are really, really blown away. They, like I said, I like to entertain a lot, so they hear often, and they've all been absolutely, they can't believe the result. When I showed them initially, like photos initially, they all said, no, it's the light. And when they came here on Friday, I had a function and they couldn't believe it. They were so stoked.